AKINSOFT Wolvox 8 Reminder, Required Fields, and Text Customization. You may want to customize, restrict, or simplify the use of the program. At this point, Wolvox 8's Reminder, Required Fields, and Text Customization fields will be useful for you. Let's start with the Reminder feature. With this alert, you can enable the program to give warnings and reminders with pop-up messages. Open the admin menu from the ERP program and click the Warning and Reminder Settings button in the Definitions area. Warning and reminder settings that you can create according to your modules are listed in the left part of the window that opens. These settings are turned off by default, and each setting has different parameters. Now let's set client balance together. First, let's activate the setting. You can choose which users you want to warn with the message from the Assigned Stuff section. In the lower section, there are parameters related to the setting. Set the parameters according to your preferences and press the OK button. With this setting you have made, you can receive a warning every time the program is opened, as well as specify the sound and repetition interval of this warning. You can make this adjustment by clicking the Admin menu, Custom Settings button. You can make the relevant setting from the General Settings tab in the Alert Window Settings area. Exit the program and log back in for your change to take effect. Let's look at the Required Fields field. You can choose which fields are required in the forms in the program. Thus, it will not be possible to save the form without filling in these fields. Click the Required Fields button from the Definitions field in the Admin menu. In the window that opens, 3 different sections will appear in front of you. In the Modules section, the modules in your license will be listed. In the Tables section, the available fields in the module you selected are listed. In the Required Fields field, the fields in the table you selected are listed. Let's do an example. First, select your module, then select the table you want to, and as the last step, check the box which fields you want to make the required field. Save by pressing the OK button. Let's look at the text customization. You may want to edit any text field in any form and customize it according to your preferences. To do this, click the Text Customization button in the Definitions area of the Admin menu. In the window that opens, 2 columns will appear: the original text and translated text. Type the text you want to change in the original text column and the new texts in the translated text field. Pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters when writing original texts. Click the Save button after you have completed your operations.